sky just turned orange. That last big one, the sky was just orange.
That was a loud one. Oh wow. Jesus, I don't even want to be standing like near anything metal.
I'll tape it.
Wow.
Is it upside down? No? Okay. That's on tape.
Oh my God, man.
Wicked shit.
That was like, whoa, man. Careful, careful. Oh, it makes me very nervous.
That was close, like here.
Don't test it. I had a bad feeling about that. That's...
Don't block, because if we need to run.
Oh, you can't run from it.
To run.
Oh, that was too close. Oh, man.
That makes you jump out of your skin.
Oh, yeah, that scared the shit right out of me, bro.